Hey guys, this is MJ23 Bama coming to you again. This is for the 22 Acura MDX. For some of you guys, if your key fob battery starting to die, this is just a quick video showing you how to replace your battery. So first thing you're going to do is flip it upside down, push the button, pull out your spare key. So you guys can see it here. You just take your spare key, put it in that little hole right there and twist. Flip it over and boom. For some of you guys, here's the spare key or the battery that you're going to need to replace it with. You can get those batteries at CVS, Walmart, Home Depot. And then when you put the new battery in there, just put it in there, push down, and put your key in. Again, you're gonna take your key and you're gonna put it right in that little hole right there, twist it, and it opens it up. If you guys like that video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, like and subscribe. When I find new things out about this 22 Acura MDX, I'll be posting it.